Welcome to session 34 of Word Power Made Easy. The first word for the session is indefatigable. It has a negative prefix in in the beginning, plus fatigue, which means a state of being tired, plus able, which means able to be. So indefatigable means someone who is able to work for a very long time without being tired, who is always energetic. The next word is ingenuous. To call someone ingenuous means that they are very frank, open. They do not hide their emotions or feelings. They do not pretend. They are very innocent, simple. Do not mix ingenuous with ingenious. Ingenious means someone who is very shrewd, clever, inventive. It does not have a negative prefix in, but it derives from a Latin word which means someone who is very smart, skillful and shrewd. Then other words which are similar to ingenuous are naive. To call someone naive means someone who is very inexperienced, who has not learned the way of life, who is still a very new person in this world, or a fresher who is innocent and simple. The next word is gullible. Gullible is someone who can be easily tricked and easily fooled. They can be dominated very easily. The next word is credulous. Credulous means someone who is ready to believe anything, who is very frank, who implies a willingness to believe anything, no matter how fantastic it is, but they have a feeling of ignorance or inexperience, so they believe anything. And they have the inability to believe that human beings can lie. They always feel that people are always truthful. So ingenuous, naive, credulous and gullible, they are somewhat synonyms. Credulous comes from a Latin word credo, which means to believe. So credit means also has the same root credo. To give credit to means to believe to, or to believe in your honesty. So a credulous listener is someone who believes whatever they hear. A credible story, one that can be believed. Incredulous is an attitude of skepticism or non-belief. Incredible, a story that cannot be believed. So incredulous and incredible has a negative prefix in. Incredible also means something which is extraordinary. So incredible characters are some people who are so unique that you can scarcely believe that such characters also exist. So here is a short exercise on how to use the words credulous, credible. You can pause the video and solve this exercise, and then you can check the answers that are given below. So credo means to believe. So here are some other words from the similar root. Credo is a personal belief or a code of ethic. Creed. Creed is a synonym to credo. It is a religious belief like Catholicism, Judaism, Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, etc. Credence. Credence is belief. I place no credence in his story means I place no belief in his story. I do not believe that the story is true. Credentials. Credentials is a person's right to a title or privilege. For example, when you have to sign, you say you're giving your credentials. Means you hold that right to the document. The next word is disingenuous. So you may think this is a antonym for the previous word ingenuous, but disingenuous is far more complicated. So ingenuous means people who are frank. So disingenuous means people who are not frank, but there is more to it. They are not only frank, but they are crafty, cunning, dishonest, insincere, untrustworthy. They pretend to be very simple and frank, but actually they are very crafty and cunning. So with this we have ended the words in this session. Now is the exercise, which you can pause the video and solve it. Here is a match the column, which you can pause the video and solve, and then you can check the answers which are given below. Solve this exercise so that you know that you have understood the word and you can recall the words that we have learnt in this session. Make sure you use these words in a sentence, which will make it easy for you to remember. And you can also comment some other words that you know from these roots below. So with that, we end the session. Thank you.